Hello guys, repairing Samsung Galaxy S7 charging port. When you plug the charger in, it's come on with the moist or something like that. Is it? I don't know, what's wrong with it?
Moisture.
Moisture.
Yeah, just
Moisture.
moisture.
Moisture. What you say?
Moisture.
Moisture. You say moisture. So let's have a look. Yeah. Moisture has been detected. Unplug the charger and wait until the both charger and the USB port are dry. Rubbish, because it's not. Let me have a try to do that one first. Give it a clean in there, maybe it's going to work. Before I start to hold the phone. Give it noise. So let's try it again. Voila, it was dirty inside. That's it. Good. Otherwise I want to go open it and change the charging port and everything. It just was it was dirty inside the charging port, and that is it's not have it connected correctly the cable with the port together. Happy day, happy customer, don't need to pay all. That's it. Very good. However, if you have any question about the charging port or anything, drop me a comment. I'll try my best to help you. Thank you for watching. Boom. K1 Repair Center.